Hello, today I will teach you how to make a touch sensor using a 555 timer IC. First, connect the 555 timer IC in the breadboard. Now, connect the wires to the breadboard. Now, place the 4 pins in the breadboard. This will act as the touch sensor. Then, connect the anode of the LED to the negative side of the breadboard, and the cathode will be placed in the third LED of the 555 timer IC. Finally, connect the anode from the other LED in parallel with the resistor and its cathode to the positive part of the breadboard. Now, you are able to connect the battery. Place the black cable to the negative side and the red cable to the positive side. Now, you have your touch sensor. Finally, you can see how this circuit looks in a diagram. Thank you for watching.